And now, First Warn 5 weather with forecaster Steven Sarabia.
Good morning. It is 9:44 and we're still keeping an eye on that fog, which is hanging around more of the western half of the valley, but it's already starting to leave pretty much as we speak. We can see that Edinburg showing 1.3 miles of visibility, which is a lot better than where they were at the beginning of the newscast. McAllen showing 0.1 miles of visibility, and Rio Grande City is still showing 0.5. So there's still some fog in that area. If you plan on hitting the roads this morning, just plan on extra time to get to your destination. But if you are east of Weslaco, not really tracking any fog for Willacy and Cameron County this morning right now. Here's a look at the current temperatures. Starting to warm up on the eastern part of the valley, where Ravenville's at 75, Port Isabel's at 73, same with Brownsville. Edinburg's at 67, and Rio Grande City's at 61. Future track shows that most of the valley is going to be into the low 80s this early afternoon. This is 2 p.m., 83 degrees for Rio Grande City, 82 for McAllen, 84 Harlingen. This evening at 7 p.m., temperatures drop into the mid-70s. Let's go ahead and take a look at what you can expect Monday. If you're getting ready for work, 8 a.m., temperatures are going to be in the low 70s pretty much across the entire valley, except for Rio Grande City at 69, but McAllen at 71 there, Brownsville at 73. For Monday afternoon, 3 p.m., temperatures will be back into the 80s. Rio Grande City getting close to 90 degrees, 89 by 3 p.m., 85 for Edinburg, and 80 for Brownsville. We're going to be well above the average for the next couple days. Pretty much this entire week will be above average, which is 73 degrees. We're going to be at 80 as our expected high. For Monday, 84. And then Tuesday, 90 degrees. The record on Tuesday is 88, so there is a good chance we can break a record on Tuesday. We're not tracking any rain, and that's going to help things warm up across the valley, so you're not going to need that umbrella. But one thing you want to keep in mind is the wind speeds. They're starting to pick up across the valley. 14-mile-an-hour winds for Brownsville, 13 for Harlingen, 13 for Port Isabel. Calm right now in McAllen. Wind speeds are expected to pick up this afternoon with gusts even over 25 miles per hour, so keep that in mind. If you're going to do some barbecuing, here's that barbecue forecast. If you plan on lighting up the grill by 1 p.m., it's going to be pretty warm out there. 78, mostly cloudy, and there's a look at those wind speeds coming from the south-southeast at 10 to 20 miles an hour. And here's a look at that 7-day forecast. Got a nice and toasty week ahead for the valley. Hot, sunny, and breezy. Pretty much the big three factors you want to take into account this upcoming week. Well above the average of where we should be. And by the end of the week, temperatures do drop from the 90s into the low 80s, but then they warm right back up on Saturday into the upper 80s. And that is your updated First Warn 5 forecast.